Field Collections is one of the most, if not the most, costly amongst all debt collections activities. Without careful planning, access to real-time debtor information and transparency in the whole process, efficiency and effectiveness is really questionable. You can now overcome those inefficiencies and perform targeted field visits using our own Field Collections app. EXUS Field Collections is a software product that enables you to optimize the field collections process through the use of mobile devices and intelligent routing algorithms. It is designed both as an integral component of our award-winning EXUS Financial Suite, but can also work as a standalone application. EXUS Field Collections supports multiple languages and runs on Android devices. It provides a number of features, including case planning and scheduling, calculation of fastest possible routes for the current assignments, integrated map assistant, real-time communication, customer not present, location changed, intraday payment, contact points changed, etc., offline work support in case of network unavailability, receipt printing, optional with integration with Bluetooth printing devices, photo capture of receipts or other important documents during the collection and recovery process, and many more. Let's look at how you can best use it and what are the immediate benefits you can expect. Whereas before, the field collector needed to visit the head office to get a printout list of debtors to visit and carry with him a package of papers, now visiting customers is just one click away. The field collector picks up his phone and simply synchronizes with the latest visit plan, already prepared by our intelligent algorithm. All is needed in that first sync is internet access, since the application can then work in offline mode, so you don't need to worry about network coverage and availability to perform your field visits. In the traditional way, the printout list would need to have been sorted manually by some supervisor in order to prioritize the visit sequence. Now, this is all done automatically by our intelligent routing algorithm. Different criteria can be used in the optimization process, and different weights for each can be set by the supervisor. Such criteria include, for example, distance, time, bucket, due amount, and more. The routing algorithm takes into account the working hours of each field collector, transportation mode, service time at each location, and calculates the best route. This is then presented to the mobile app where the field collector can see the route that needs to be followed each day. The mobile application through the GPS can provide navigation directions for any specific case using the Google Maps service. While in the traditional way, the field collector would make unnecessary visits to debtors that have paid during the day. In the new way, the field collector receives a notification that the customer paid, and the visit is automatically canceled. No more wasted effort and time. The mobile app polls the back end for other real-time change in the case of task status. For example, a task status is set explicitly to completed or canceled. Thus, a case or task status is immediately available in the mobile device in the form of notification. Without a mobile app and support for geolocation information, one could not know whether the visit actually took place. Now, the field collector uses a set of actions to update the status of a case using the mobile app. A built-in feature with added value is geotagging, which adds geographical information in the form of metadata. Geotagging is most commonly used to get a lot of specific information about where the customer is currently located, so to update the back office system accordingly or where the actions have been taken place. The supervisor can now see in real time both the actions being registered as well as a real-time location tracking view of his field force. Furthermore, using the camera app, the field collector can take photos of important documents or other artifacts and attach them to the customer screen. Upon cash collection or promise to pay registration, an SMS or email is sent to the customer in order to ensure transparency in the whole process. A receipt could also be printed using a compatible Bluetooth printer. During the day, a dashboard view provides real-time insight on performance of the field collector both to him as well as to his supervisor. The field collector can clearly see his incentives and his performance against targets. Should you wish to learn more or see a demo, please contact us at info@exus.co.uk.